Secure Canva Logout, how to log out of Canva. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how we can securely log out of Canva, so make sure to stick with me till the very end. In order to log out of Canva securely, open up the Canva application here, and then you can currently see that I am signed into my account. So if I want to sign out, I will just have to tap on the three lines option from the very top left of the screen here. Then you'll find your profile icon and the menu here. So you can tap on this little icon and a drop down menu is going to pop up over here. Now, if you look at the very bottom of the drop down menu, you will find a sign out button there. So you can tap the little sign out button if you want to successfully sign out of Canva. This way you can do a secure Canva logout. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.